Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve chapter Rational Numbers for class 7, exercise 4.1, question number 7. So if you guys want to see the solution of earlier chapters of class 7, the name of the chapters are integers, fractions, decimals, linear equations, and of course, earlier exercises of rational numbers. So earlier questions of rational numbers, you can go by the playlist where all the links are available of all the solutions of all the videos. Moreover, if you guys want to see the solution of chapter 8 maths book of Goyal Brothers Prakashan, means same publication house, the chapters are rational numbers, exponents, square and square roots, cube and cube roots, algebraic expressions, factorization of algebraic expressions, linear equations in one variable, playing with numbers, quadrilateral, probability, percentage and its applications, surface area and volume. So you can see the solutions of all these chapters, each of the question, each of the solution of each of the question of each of the exercises of all these chapters. You can go by the playlist. The playlist is available on the channels playlist. So if you want to see the playlist, you have to subscribe the channel, and where you can easily access the playlist of all these solution of all these chapters. Moreover, some students have asked me to prepare or solve the exercises of class 6 of same publication house. So in upcoming days, I'll be trying to solve those chapters of class 6 mathematics success, of course. So let's not to waste further time. Check it out how to solve question number 7 of exercise 4.1, chapter rational numbers of class 7. So here in question number 7, we have to arrange all these rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to start with the smallest number and you have to reach till the largest number. So here first part is given as 2 by 7, comma minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 10. As you can see, all the rational numbers are different. So we have to make sure to make all these rational numbers equal by equating the denominator. So the first step for equating the denominator is take LCM of all these denominators. Take the LCM, 7, 5, and 10. So first 7, 5, and 10. Then 5, 2,000, then 2,000. So LCM 7 5s are 35 and 35 2s are 7. Now one by one equate all the fraction number. So 2 by 7, we have to make the denominator as 70. So multiply with 10. So 20 by 70. Next, minus 2 by 5. So we have to equate it with 14, of course. So it would become minus 28 by 70. Now minus 3 by 10 into 7 by 7 equal to 70 by minus 20. So the final things which we have to equate after equating the denominator is 20 by 70, minus 28 by 70, and minus 21 by 70. Now equate it. As we can see in negative terms, the less the number, the bigger the number is, the more the number, the small the number is. So According to that, minus 28 by 70 is smallest. Minus 21 by 70 and minus 20 by 70. So minus 28 is smallest, minus 21 is bigger, and 20 by 70 positive is biggest, of course. So minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 10, and 2 by 7. This is our answer. Hope the question is clear. If any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. So this is our answer. Hope the question is clear. Let's move to the second part. So second part is given as what? Minus 7 by 8, minus 5 by 4, and minus 9 by 8. So take the LCM. The process will be the same for all the questions. Take the LCM of 848. First. So LCM is 8. Equate now. Minus 7 by 8, minus 5 by 4. For equating the denominator, multiply by 2 by 2, minus 10 by 8, and minus 9 by 8. Minus 9 by 8. So we can see minus 10 by 8 is the smallest number, minus 9 by 8 the bigger one, and minus 7 by 8 is the biggest number. So according to this, minus 5 by 4, minus 9 by 8, and minus 7 by 8. Hope the question is quite clear. If facing any type of doubt, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. Now let's move to the third part of question number 7. So third part is given as what? Minus 4 by minus 5, 8 by 15, and minus 2 by 11. So first of all, we would cancel the sign, negative sign. So LCM of 5, 15, and 11. So 5 3 is 15, 15 11 is 165. So change it. We will divide the 165 with 5. So 33 by 33. So answer would be 132 by 33. Now 8 by 15 for 165, 11 by 11. So it would become 132 by 165. Sorry. Here 165. So here 165 by 81. Clear? Now minus 2 by 11. 15 by 15. So 165 by minus 30. Now arrange it. So minus 30 by 165 would be the smallest number, as it is in negative and other numbers are in positive form. 88 by 165, 132 by 165. Now minus 2 by 11, then 8 by 15, then minus 4 by minus 4. Hope the question is clear. If facing any type of doubt, I'm again and again saying, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. So it was all about third part of question number 7. Now let's move to the fourth part. So fourth part is minus 5 by 4, minus 5 by 8, and minus 5 by 12. So first step would be what? Taking the LCM. LCM of 4, 8, and 12. What? 4, 8, and 12. So 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are. So LCM would be what? 24. Now one by one equate the denominators. Minus 30 by 24. Second, 3 by 3. Minus 15 by 24. And 2 by 2. That is minus 10 by 24. Now, arrange the rational numbers. So our answer would be minus 5 by 24 is the smallest rational numbers, then minus 5 by 8, and minus 5 by 12 is the biggest rational number in terms of ascending order. So hope the question is quite clear. If any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting into the comment box. Hope all these parts are quite clear. Now let's move to the fifth part. So fifth part says minus 3 by 7, 5 by minus 4, and 11 by minus 4. First of all, arrange the rational numbers accordingly. Minus 3 by 7, we would multiply 5 by minus 4 with the minus 1 by minus 1, so as to shift this negative from the denominator to the numerator. So our new rational number would be minus 5 by 4, as no negative sign in the denominator is allowed. Same the case with the 11 by minus 4 also. Multiply it with minus 1 and minus 1, so as to shift the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. So our new rational numbers would be minus 3 by 7, minus 5 by 4, and minus 11 by 4. Now the process starts. Take the LCM of 7, 4, and 4. 4. Now the LCM comes to be as what? 28. Now equate the rational numbers one by one. So it would become 12 by 28 minus 12 by 28. The next number would become minus 35 by 28. And the last number would become minus 77 by 28. Minus, it is minus 14. There is a slight change. So it would become 22. So arrange the numbers now. So minus 35 by 28 is the smallest. Then minus 22 by 28 is the bigger number, and minus 12 by 28 is the biggest number. So arrange it accordingly as given in the question in the raw form. So final answer would be 5 by minus 4, 11 by minus 14, and minus 3 by 7. So it was all about sixth part. So any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask your doubts by commenting it to the comment box. Now let's move to the last part of question number 7. Now, so 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Take the LCM of 4, 6, and 8, which is 24. I'll show you how to take the LCM. So you will face no problem in finding the LCM. So LCM is what? 24. Now equate the denominator. Then minus 5 by 6. Then 7 by 8. Now arrange it accordingly. Minus 20 by 24 is smallest, and 18 by 24 is bigger, and 21 by 24 is the biggest number in terms of ascending order. So minus 5 by 6, 3 by 4, and 7 by 8. So it was all about question number 7 of exercise 4.1, class 7, publication house Goyal Brothers. Let's have a full glance of all the parts once again. So it was the first part of question number 7, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So in my next video, I'll be solving question number 8 of exercise 4.1, rational numbers for class 7, chapter 4. So it was all about the question number 7. So if you like my video or somewhere it is helpful to you, subscribe to my channel hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. Thank you so much.